Today, I'll teach you how to accurately measure the power output voltage using a Fluke 15B multimeter and an AWP12 power supply. Insert the 6P cable and 4P voltage regulation cable into the power supply. Connect the other end to the pico tester. Press and hold the white button for 2 seconds, then press the red power button. Use the red button to select Power Tester. Select the AWP12 power supply model using the green button. Press the white button to confirm. Rotate to the DC voltage V range. Place the test leads on the AWP12 power supply to begin testing.
Yes!